The Australian government announced a groundbreaking move to enhance its military capabilities with the acquisition of advanced communication systems for SYPAQ Systems' CorvoX drones. This initiative, part of the DEF 129 project, marks a significant step in Australia's efforts to modernize its defence forces while supporting local manufacturing in South Australia. The project also highlights the nation's commitment to strengthening its technological sovereignty in defence. At the core of this effort are the CorvoX drones developed by SYPAQ. These advanced autonomous systems are designed for both military and commercial applications, offering unparalleled versatility. The CorvoX family includes both fixed-wing and multi-rotor drones, equipped with sophisticated features such as real-time surveillance, target tracking, and image enhancement. These systems excel in providing high-quality video feeds and precise data processing, making them invaluable for surveillance and reconnaissance missions. To ensure these drones operate at peak efficiency, the Australian Department of Defence has partnered with Codan Communications, an Adelaide-based company. Codan has secured a $15 million contract to supply its state-of-the-art Sentry Mesh 6161 radios. These radios will be integrated into the CorvoX drones, providing reliable communication capabilities even in the most challenging environments. The radios feature Codan's proprietary Mesh Ultra technology, which optimizes bandwidth usage and ensures reliable data transmission in real time. The Sentry Mesh radios are compact and lightweight, weighing just 410 grams. They utilize multiple input, multiple output, MIMO, RF architecture and include a GPS receiver for precise positioning. The radios also use a unique token passing protocol to reduce interference and maintain data packet latency. This makes them ideal for mission-critical operations where reliability is essential. The integration of these advanced communication systems is part of a larger investment plan to enhance Australia's unmanned aerial systems inventory. In total, over $100 million Australian dollars have been allocated to expanding the Australian Defence Force's UAS capabilities. This includes funding for various drones and platforms designed to improve surveillance, operational efficiency, and overall mission success. In addition to strengthening defence capabilities, this project is set to create up to 18 high-skilled engineering jobs at Codan's new production facility in South Australia. Workers will be responsible for tasks such as precision engineering, video encoding, and system certification. This initiative not only boosts Australia's defence capacity but also helps develop the nation's domestic expertise in advanced communication technologies. Pat Conroy, the Minister for Defence Industry and Capability Delivery, emphasized the strategic importance of this project. He highlighted that it aligns with the government's goal to equip the Australian Defence Force with cutting-edge resources while fostering local innovation and technology production. This acquisition is part of a broader defence modernisation plan under the leadership of Prime Minister Anthony Albanese, who has committed over $10 billion Australian dollars to enhance Australia's defence capabilities. Of this amount, $4.3 billion are specifically allocated to unmanned aerial systems, ensuring Australia stays ahead in the rapidly evolving defence landscape. With the integration of Sentry Mesh 6161 radios and the advanced CorvoX drones, Australia is not just enhancing its defence capabilities but also positioning itself as a leader in military technological innovation. These investments reflect the country's dedication to reducing reliance on foreign technologies and building a sovereign defence industry that can tackle future security challenges head-on. Australia's focus on advanced defence technology and local production is a clear message that the nation is ready to face the challenges of modern warfare with cutting-edge solutions and self-sufficiency. The future of Australia's defence strategy looks bright as these initiatives continue to unfold.